Good morning, everyone. This is Kevin Cahill and Farmer Hughes from the Irish American Club of Berkshire County, and we join you this springy, I'll call it, morning in March, with another edition of the Sunday Sounds of Ireland. Good morning, Farmer.
Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, everybody out there. How was your week off? How was your week? It was my week off last week. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. But how was your week?
My week was off.
Oh, my
Not
God.
surprisingly. It was a fine week, Farmer. How about yours?
Oh, I've just been staying a lot at work and trying to get this project done before our big weekend comes up. And things are slowing instead of zipping along like I like to have them, but it's okay.
It's okay.
Yep.
And you and I and most of the people in our listening audience are waiting for St. Patrick's Day.
Yes.
And since it is now March 1st-ish, it's okay to start wishing people St. Patrick's Day. So I will do that to anyone I see.
There you go.
But please remember our event's going to be on Saturday, March 16th at the Elk Club in Pittsfield with doors opening at 5:30. And for more information for a ticket there, give me a call at 413-770-7512. That's 413-770-7512. But while you're contemplating that phone call, listen to Derry Farrell from his album The First Turn, as well as the Great Irish Songbook from Dervish.
Ooh,
You'll be hearing from that today.
We haven't heard from them in a while either.
No, we haven't. So here we go with Derry Farrell.
When midnight comes and people homeward thread, seek now your blankets and your feathered bed. Home comes the rover, his journey's over. Yield up the night time to old John O'Dreams. Across the hill the sun has gone astray. Tomorrow's cares are many dreams away. Your stars are flying, your candles dying. Yield up the darkness to old John O'Dreams. Both man and master in the night are one. All men are equal when the day is done. A prince and plowman, a slave and free man, all find their comforts in old John O'Dreams. All find their comforts in old John O'Dreams. Sleep it comes and dreams come running clear. The hawks of morning cannot reach you here. Sleep is boatman choose all John no dreams, and for your boatman choose all John no dreams.
That was the Bothy Band. I played from them last week as well. Their first album floated to the top of my bag again this morning. And it was a cute tune.
I liked it.
But the name of it is Old Hag, You Have Killed Me. So
It's kind of a life story right now.
I'm not sure where the title comes from. I should look it up. And before that, we heard from Dervish from the Great Irish Songbook album with their version of She Moved Through the Fair. I liked it, but I like a quicker version of that song. It isn't one of the older ballads, as I've said in this space before. But there you have it with Dervish from their version of She Moved Through the Fair. It is a classic from the Irish
It
album.
is. I have it somewhere in my collection also, but right now I couldn't find it.
I have probably have a million versions of it here somewhere.
Yeah.
So, but
with different artists.
with different artists.
Yeah.
With different artists.
Doing it differently.
And first up, we heard from Deary Farrell from his album, The First Turn. And every time I hear that thing, I keep thinking of the Daytona 500.
Why's that?
Because when the Daytona 500 is on, I'm in a bar called The First Turn watching the race. So, but Deary Farrell isn't there.
No.
But I hope everyone enjoyed that song anyway. And you got something lined up for us,
I
Farmer?
do. We're going to kick the second set off with the Rumjacks.
Map to go in the wall of her. Let's stick in the shinty bowl, the brick, the brack, the crack, and all. Let's call it an Irish pub. Caffrey's hot, Kilkenny, a pub, the Guinness pint, the cabbage crap, the I don't wanna be paddy trap. We'll call it an Irish pub. While all be fucked, to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you'll get is a slap in the air. While all be fucked, they'll often burst your filthy mug if you draw one more shamrock in me beer. A beer, a dollar will make you wear a shirt and colour with fire, bloody tricolour and colour an Irish pub. The Jager bombs and double shots, the underagers think it's toast. We'll spike the drinks and pay the cost, we got us an Irish pub. The quick one in the filthy dog, the parting glass across the lug of the lady, oh the dirty dog, we got us an Irish pub. It's over to me, and over to you. We'll skip along the avenue, and who the hell is running through? We got us an Irish pub. While all be fucked, to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you get is a slap in the air. Well, I'll be fucked, the law will burst your filthy mug if you draw one more shamrock in me beer. Plasma screens, neon lights, carry fog and alky nights. The bouncers, they can pick the fights, we'll call it an Irish pub. Plastic cups, a polished floor, we'll hose the blood right out the door and let the knuckles back for more. We got us an Irish pub. While I'll be fucked, to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you'll get is a slap in the air. While I'll be fucked, the law will burst your filthy mug if you draw one more shamrock in me beer. In the morning, Gary on, kiss me, I'm Irish. Molly Malone, a bunch of slant, you punk my home. We got us an Irish pub. Spike the punches, trick the willows, strike me up the rakes. And Malone, and Liffey never ran so shallow. We got us an Irish pub. While all big fuck to swear upon the holy book, the only crack you get is a slap in the air. While all big fuck, the law will burst your filthy mug if you draw one more shamrock in me beer.
On soron kanki kere woloti bari kapila domania kien soron de kanke kere woloti tuninga soron maya bela mande
British cross a Lord and Voherham Lord na Garden on Rotterdam Vier deine Stadt
My family lived in Wexford town, stopped travelling and settled down. Me father kept a horse and cart, though we lived within in the town. The people there misunderstood. They did not know our ways. So with horse and cart back on the road, I began my traveling days. My father was called the Fiddler Dun. Now I'm a fiddler too. Although I often felt his fist, he taught me all he knew. I know I'll never be as good, yet I feel no shame for the other things my father taught. I'm proud to bear its name. He taught me pride and how to live, though the road is hard and long, and how a man will never starve with a banjo, fiddle or song, how to fight for what I own and what I feel is right, and how to camp beside a ditch on a stormy winter's night. Oh, times were good and times were bad, and people cruel and kind. What I learned from people then has stayed within my mind. I'll honor friends with all me heart, do for them all I can. But I learned to go the road again, where they scorn the travelling man. Wexford is a town I like, but the travelling man is scorned. But you must feel affection for the town that you come from. I know one day that I'll go back when me travelling days are done. People will begin to wonder whatever happened to the Packard Dun.
This is Kevin Cale and Farmer Hughes. Welcome back to the Sunday Sounds of Ireland. You just heard from a new band. I was mailed their CD yesterday, or at least I got it yesterday. I have no idea where they're from, and it doesn't say. But I'll find out sooner or later. And Black Mountain Studios, whatever that is. But anyway, this is a new album. It's called from the band The Merry Wallopers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 band members. The name of the album is Irish Rock and Roll. And as I said, the name of that song was Wexford. And before that, we heard one of my favorite groups, the Afro-Celt Sound System, with their new album called Volume 2. Yes, that's what it's called.
I guess so.
And the name of the tune, the song, the instrumental was Aaron from the Afro-Celt Sound System. And you started us off, Farmer.
I did. I started us off with an Irish pub song by the Rumjacks, and that was off their album, The Gangs of New Holland. You have that one. I do.
I have that.
I have their other one that must be in my other stack there. I can't find it right now. I wanted to play something off that, but I had to stick with this one. So
It was a good selection.
yes,
And we're going to hear from you now.
we are. We're going to hear from the O'Reillys and the Petty Hats.
I was roving out one evening as I came down to Port Law. I walked into a dimly pub and suddenly I saw the cheeks, they were so rosy and golden was her hair. She had to be an Irish girl cause she looked so goddamn fair. She took me by her lovely hand and whispered in my ear, I'll guide you up to heaven if you'll order me a beer. Seconds later I found myself beside this pretty lass, wanting thoughts in my head and an ale in my glass. Hey dear, come on, won't you spend another two? One for me and one for you. The truth is she will fill you up and ask you to pay. But I drink my pint and say fuck off, cause that's my Irish way. When I was a little drunk, I went to take a piss. When I came back, I saw two girls having a French kiss. The girls, they were me nearer. Could this really be? The Irish way is finally dawning on me. When we drank our final pint, the girls asked me to pay. They promised me to meet outside at Lower Castle's Way. When they left, I took the bill. The girls have set me up. They left me with an empty purse and sick to the gut. Hey dear, come on, won't you spend another two? One for me and one for you. The truth is she will fill you up and ask you to pay. But I drink the pint and say fuck off, cause that's my Irish way.
Two tunes there from Martin Hayes, one of his early albums. The Golden Castle was the first, and the second was Billy Malley's Scottisha.
Scottisha.
Heard that?
Yeah.
And you gave us a tune first, Farmer.
I did. I started us out with the O'Reillys and the Patty Hats. And the song was Irish Way, and the album was Sign of a Fighter. That's the new one I got, I think just last week.
Oh, wow. Okay. So a little bit of Irish history today. On the 3rd of March, 1831, 120 members of the Irish Constabulary, which is the Irish police force, accompanied by a Major Brown, entered the village of Graiguenamanagh in County Kilkenny with the purpose of seizing cattle.
Seizing cattle.
In lieu of payment of the tithe, a tax of 1/10 of produce and later cash to be paid to the Church of Ireland. The police were, according to Brown, quote, indefatigable in their exertions, out every day and frequently twice a day, seizing cattle to be sold to pay the tithe that the farmer refused to pay. This is corroborated by a letter from Sir John Harvey in which he wrote, quote, this county continues in a very unpleasant state of determined hostility to the payment of tithes. The tithe was strongly disliked by Roman Catholics, who made up the majority of the people of Ireland, as well as Presbyterians. Though it had existed in Ireland since the 16th century, resistance came to a head when a local priest in Gregu, Father Martin Doyle, told his parishioners not to pay it, nor to bid on any animals at auction that had been taken as compensation, and this resistance spread throughout most of Leinster and eastern Munster. It turned violent on occasion when at least 12 people were shot dead.
Really?
In Newtownbarry in County Wexford, after throwing stones at a policeman and a yeoman and a process server, and another process server named Edmund Butler was killed in Kilkenny, along with another dozen men who were hired to protect him. So things were serious.
Yeah, I guess.
The
You
tithe
wanna pay that tax. Probably too much.
Well, why should they be paying
Exactly.
to a foreign church is the other issue. They had to support their own church as well. The tithe war spread throughout Ireland except for the predominantly Protestant counties of Northern Ulster. It was effectively ended by the Irish Tithe Act of 1838, which made landowners, most of whom were members of the established religion, liable for payment rather than their Catholic tenants. So that's how that problem was solved.
That's a very good solution.
I
But
think
it took
so,
them
too.
a while.
Yeah, several hundred years. But
Yeah.
There you are.
From the county fair, and the rain came pouring down. Me and Billy standing there with a silver half a crown. Hands are full of a fishing rod and the tackle on our backs. We just stood there getting wet with our backs against the fence. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. Hope it don't rain all day. And it stung me to my soul. Stung me just like Jelly Roll. And it stung me. Yet it stung me to my soul. Stung me just like going home. Yet it stung me. And the rain let up and the sun came up and we were getting dry. Almost let a pickup truck nearly pass us by. So he jumped right in the driver grinned, and he dropped us up the road. Yeah, we looked at the swim, and we jumped right in, not to mention fishing poles. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. Let it run all over me. Yeah, that stung me to my soul.
Jelly Roll, and it stung me, and it stung me to my soul. Don't be just like going home, and it stung me. But our throats were getting dry. Then we saw the man from across the road with the sunshine in his eye. Really lived all alone in his own little home with a great big gallon jar. There were bottles too, one for me and you. And he said, hey, there you are. Oh, the water. Jetted myself from the mountain stream, yet it stung me to my soul. Saw me just like Jelly Roll, and it stung me, yet it stung me to my soul. Saw me just like going home, yet it stung me.
Me
And while you're listening to Karen Casey, this is Kevin Cahill and Farmer Hughes saying goodbye for another week. Please listen to our show again next week. And please listen to all the locally produced programming here at 89.7 WTBR Pittsfield Community Radio.
Okay, everybody have themselves an awesome week. The weather is supposed to be really warm. Well, not really warm, but 50 or 60 degrees.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. And just everybody have a good week, and we'll see you next week. Be good, be kind, and keep those Irish eyes a-smiling.
And for St. Patrick's Day tickets for our event on March 16th, give me a call at 413-770-7512. That's Kevin Cahill at 413-770-7512. Gurum Ugat Jahi Shahugan.
Like a penny